We had invitation from US Air Force to participate in 12-2 Red Flag. We're planning to bring 6 F-15Ks, which are newly acquired aircrafts. So a few of our maintenance personnel and pilots came over to St. Louis to prepare the 6 aircrafts.
The logistics for Red Flag starts with a transportation package, including a ROKAF C-130 that travels from Korea all the way to St. Louis to bring the first set of equipment that they need to complete the acceptance test on the 6 aircraft here in St. Louis. Since 2004, we've delivered 53 aircraft to the Republic of Korea Air Force. And over that period of 7 years, we've developed trust and teamwork and friendships with our Korean customer. From the pilots and test pilots from Boeing to the maintainers and the ROKAF Air crew and their maintainers, it's really a big family.
The Boeing and ROKAF have worked together for many years, so we always trust each other.
The acceptance process for the F-15 for Korea is quite extensive. There's 2 flights on the aircraft. The first flight's a functional check flight. The second flight is an avionics check flight. You can imagine that the complex systems of the aircraft need to be checked by our customer very thoroughly. It provides them the confidence that they know the product is in its top condition and ready to go when they leave here to go to Nellis Air Force Base for Red Flag.
Testing the aircraft is not easy, but we have to make it perfect in order to take part in the Red Flag exercise.
We're so proud of the partnership we have with you. It matters to us. It matters to do everything we can to make you successful. We recognize the importance of your mission. We wish you great skill and great luck.
We can all say that we're ready. We've done our job to get the aircraft ready.
All of the people in Korea believe our Air Force can protect our sky and territory with the current world's most powerful F-15K Slamable. I am sure that Korea Air Force will be #1 among not only all the participants of Red Flag, but also the air powers in the world.
Go and fight and win.
I will do my best, absolutely.
An invitation to Red Flag is a chance for a country to come and participate in the best weapons and fighter training program in the world. What this means for Korea is a second appearance, substantial changes in their training profiles, another chance to prove themselves as an important player in the coalition forces around the world.
purpose of Red Flag is to provide realistic combat training through integrated warfighting in a contested, degraded, and operationally limited environment. And how we do that is capitalize on bringing forces to Nellis Air Force Base and allowing that face-to-face interaction for all involved in the exercise for mission planning, mission execution, as well as debrief. We're extremely excited to have the Republic of Korea Air Force participating in Exercise 12-2, and it allows us to work closely with their Air Force so that we can better develop techniques, training, procedures, tactics, where we can better meld with the strengths that the Korean Air Force brings to the fight.
The Republic of Korea Air Force selected the F-15K for its long range, payload capacity, and high speed, all the basic foundations for the best fighter in the world. Their pilots are top-notch. Every aircraft maintainer for the Republic of Korea Air Force has a proud service record.
F-15K have lots of air-air, air-to-ground missiles and precise sensors that help pilots do the mission easy. It's awesome.
They're going to face both air-to-air and air-to-ground threats. And it gives them their chance to get their first simulated combat sorties to get them comfortable so that when they get into an actual combat environment, they have more situational awareness and they're just better trained and ready to actually perform in a more stressful environment.
We can replicate potential adversaries from across the world and then utilize their tactics, techniques, and procedures to create scenarios that are quite difficult. So as our air forces train against those forces, they are getting training that feel like real combat.
For Red Flag 12-2 for the Republic of Korea Air Force, very intense. They're running a 4-turn 2 mission, 4 sorties during the day, 2 at night. The first week is air-to-air interdiction missions and dynamic targeting missions. The second week they'll be dropping a group of live ordnance on many different targets, including moving targets.
Those relationships we build, that understanding of each other's cultures allows us and is really beneficial when we talk about building partnership capacity that is extremely important when we're talking about global engagement.
It can't stop Red Flag because of malfunction of aircraft. We had to enter the war. It is war.
Red Flag exercise was very rewarding experience. The information that I learned from Red Flag, I will teach my junior officers. That is my obligations.
최첨단 장비와 작전 시스템을 토대로 결정적인 임무 수행 능력을 보유한 F-15K는 대한민국 영공 방위의 핵심 전력이자 한반도 전역에서 작전 임무를 수행할 수 있는 국가 수호 의지의 강력한 표상입니다.